Students, today we are going to see the book back answers. The lesson number is productions. Okay, first Roman, choose the correct answers. Question number 1, production refers to option A, destruction of utility, option B, creation of utilities, option C, exchange value, option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, creation of utility. Then second one, utilities are in the nature of option A, form utility, option B, time utility, option C, place utility, option D, all of these. The answer is option D, all of these. Then third one, dash is carried out by extractive industries. Option A, secondary productions, option B, primary production, option C, tertiary productions, option D, service production. The answer is option B, primary production. Next, fourth one, primary factors are option A, land capital, option B, capital labor, option C, land labor, option D, none of these. The answer is option C, land labor. Then next one, fifth one, the entrepreneur is also called option A, exchanger, option B, agent, option C, organizer, option D, communicator. The answer is option C, organizer. Okay. Next, second Roman, fill in the blanks. Question number 1, dash means want satisfying power of a product. The answer is utility, utility, utility. Then second one, derived factors are dash and dash. The answer is capital and organization. Capital, C-A-P-I-T-A-L, capital. Organization, O-R-G-A-N-I-S-A-T-I-O-N, organization. Third one, dash is fixed in supply. The answer is land, L-A-N-D, land. Then fourth one, dash is the human input into the production process. The answer is capital, C-A-P-I-T-A-L, capital. The next fifth one, dash is the man-made physical goods used to produce goods and services. The answer is investment, I-N-V-E-S-T-M-E-N-T, investment. Then third Roman, match the following. Question number 1, primary production. The answer is fishing and mining. And second one, time utility. The answer is stored for future. Then third one, wealth of nation. The answer is Adam Smith. Then fourth one, human capital. The answer is education and health. Education, health. Next fifth one, innovator. The answer is entrepreneur. Then Roman letter 4, give short answer. First question, what is production? The answer is production is a process of combining various materials input and immediate inputs in order to make something for consumption. This is the first. And second one, what is utility? Utility means want satisfying power of a product. This is the answer. And third one, name the types of utility. Utilities are in the nature of form utility, time utility and place utility. This is third question answer. Then fourth one, name the types of production. There are three types of productions. This is the answer for fourth question. Primary production, secondary production, and third one territory or service productions. Then fifth question, factors of production, land, labor, capital, organization. This is the answer for fifth question. The next sixth question, define labor. Marshall defines labor as the use of body or mind, partly or wholly, with a view to secure an income apart from the pleasure derived from the work. This is the answer for sixth question. Okay. The next seventh question, define division of labor. Division of labor means dividing the process of productions into distinct and several component process and assigning each component in the land of a labor or a set of laborers who are specialists in that particular process. This is the answers for seventh question. Next, eighth questions. Write the forms of capital. Forms of capital. These are the 3 points. First one, physical capital or material resources. Example, machinery, tools, buildings, etc. And second point, money capital or monetary resources. Example, bank deposits, shares and securities. Next, third one, human capital or human resources. Example, investment in education, training and health. This is the answers for 8th question. Last questions, write the 3 characteristics of entrepreneur. First one, identifying profitable invisible opportunities. Second one, deciding the locations of the production unit. And third one, making innovations. Okay students, thank you. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel.